They cook this perfectly. The claw is my husband's favorite, so I'm going to give that to him. I want to get more hand rolls. That's so delicious.
The parties in.
The buffet's going to shut down in about 20 minutes.
Okay.
But, you know, you're more than welcome. As long as you get your food before the buffet shuts down, you can enjoy it.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah, we got here late, so. It's our anniversary dinner, and actually, when we got married here in Hawaii, we ate at the restaurant called The Top. It's a revolving restaurant, and that was our very first dinner after we got married. So today, we wake up in Maui, get here to Oahu. So my husband's like, we should go eat at that restaurant. I'm like, oh, that's a great idea. So we get there, we made reservations, we get there, and they set us outside. Here, let me show you the video. They're sitting us outside, and we're like, this looks nothing like what we had at the revolving restaurant. Here, let me show you this picture. And it's chilly and it's sprinkling, but I've been wanting to eat here even since the last time we came here 2 years ago. And we didn't get a chance to do the buffet. And here we are, super excited.